In this edition of our public service segment, we focus our attention on public utility vehicle drivers who use their electronic gadgets while driving, even with the Anti-Distracted Driving Act or ADDA being implemented in the country. In this photo taken inside a UV Express, the driver is seen using his cell phone to watch while driving. As we all know, acts like this are prohibited under the ADDA as it causes distraction to the driver and may cause serious road accidents.
Even if a driver is stuck in traffic, no? As long as he is behind the wheel, hindi niya pwedeng gamitin yung kanyang electronic gadgets. No? He's still not allowed to hold, use his cell phone and or gadget to make or receive calls, write messages, read text messages, and so on.
With this, we would like to remind all our motorists to comply with the Anti-Distracted Driving Act. Always put first the safety of yourself as well as your passengers.